So guys, once you finish the setting up of cPanel, so the time is now to create a website. So just enter your website name. In my case, it's servicenearby.in. Click on a slash WP admin. This WP admin is the URL from which you can go to the back end of your WordPress website where you can design all the WordPress items and enter your username and password which you have given in the cPanel. So I'm in the backend of the WordPress dashboard. So here is the place where you can design your website. So if I check my website now, I can see this is how my website looks, and this is not I wanted. So just click on appearance, themes. So if you are creating a blog theme, I would recommend this because this theme is completely free and at the same time it is easy to set up. Just click on, okay, I'll just show you once more. Just click on appearance and themes and then click on add new. And in the search box here, type Duper. Yeah. So already you got this theme, Duper Mac. Click on install. Just wait for the installation to be finished. And then click on activate. Okay. So now you go and you just click on servicenearby.in. You can see the website has changed. But this is not it. You have to make the website the way it should look like. Just click on this. Get started with Super Mac. Okay. So you can do by just uploading the demo input. I think the easier way is just click on DuperMag info and go to recommended actions. Click on this set image size and then click on install demo setup. Activate. You can go here and see that the demo preview. You can just click on this and our website should be looking like this. This is how we wanted our website to look. Don't worry, we will edit it again. So just click on import and click on yes, import demo, and this is gonna take some time, guys. So guys, that's it. So your demo import is over. So just you can see that if you click on visit my website, you can see my website looks exactly similar as the this one, except this place it's called a featured. This one I'll show you all those details. So now we don't want these kind of post here. We just want to edit the post. So what you can do is just go to appearance and then customize. So once you log on to customize, you will see there is something called site identity where you can change the site name. Service nearby test press site. You can see here you can see the name of the website is written as a logo, but you can always go to change it to logo. So where instead of the text it will be logo. Where you can also select the logo. Here you have to select the select logo icon. You have to upload your logo. You can create your logo using Canva, or if you are good with Photoshop you can do that. For example, I'm just so guys, make sure you just always take this into considerations that they have given the recommended size here. So once you're creating a logo, just in Canva or something, just create a logo with this particular dimensions. So just click on that and go back. You can click on publish, and then you can see a lot of options here. You can either enable this date or disable this date. So you can click on this and the date will be gone. So you can see a lot of options, social options. Once you enter your Facebook page and you create a Facebook page and enter that URL, that particular icon will be displayed in the header section that is here. You can see here. So just go the header advertisements. So what you can do is you can create an advertisements in the header page, like how I created for my website. What I did was just go to canva.com, and in canva.com there is a click on custom dimension and enter the 720 into 728 into 90, and you can see that I have created one of the header page like this with the same dimension. So free course and tech news. So this is how you do that. So just go on. You can also disable that option. You can see that. So you can see there are a lot of options here out there. You can just go into these things and just explore these things, header options. Now go to featured section. This is what I was talking about. The featured section was not. So just click on enable featured section, and then you can select which category you want to display. For example, it was latest news. So the blog content which you have added in that category will only be displayed. So we learn all about that while learning how to create a blog post. So you can see a lot of, you can just go and just find this how these things work, how you can change. So this is the other part. So this is technology which is written. If you want, I can write it is digital marketing, and I go and create a new category and start updating the post like how I did. So we can do all those things. So that's how you just have to go here and you see, for example, copyright. I just want to copyright 2020. So all this you can do. So you can just explore this how you can do this. So in the so what you can do is you don't need this demo content. Either you can edit this demo content or just delete this demo content. So I'll just in the next video I'll show you how to create a category and add a new post and delete all this post and add a new post and start writing the blog. So okay guys, so see you in the next lesson.